Hi there, this is how you easily swap blades on your Philips OneBlade. All you need is a OneBlade replacement and your Philips OneBlade. I left a link to the replacement blade for Amazon below this video for your convenience. So this is what the OneBlade replacement looks like. You usually get them in a 3-pack on Amazon. So if you want to get it for yourself, check out the link below this video. So this is how you easily replace the blade head on the Philips OneBlade. You push down the button, press it up, and it pops off. That simple. You need to take then the new blade head and you put it back on. So you make sure you line it up like this here. I'll show you right here. And you pop it back in place. So you just push it right back into the grooves. I mislined it here, and it'll snap back into place. And once it snaps back into place, you're set. And that's that easy to change the blade head. Just push down on the button, push up a bit like the arrow shows, and the blade pops off. Put the new blade on and you're good to go. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing for more how-to videos.